What is female condom? A female condom is worn inside the vagina to create a barrier to stop semen from entering the body. They are made from soft plastic material called nitrile. Through these are called female condom. They can be used by people of any gender for protection during anal sex. You can often get female condoms free from sexual health clinics or healthcare professionals, and they are sold in some shops. If you can't find these condoms locally, they are available online. Why should I use them? They work really well. When used correctly, condoms provide excellent protection against HIV, pregnancy, and most STIs. In fact, they are the only type of contraception that also stops you getting or giving STIs, including HIV. If you use a condom, you can relax and enjoy sex knowing that you and your partner are protected. Top tips for using female condom. 1. Condoms only offer protection against STIs, HIV, and pregnancy if you use them every time you have sex. 2. Don't double up. Using an external condom at the same time as an external male one does not make sex safer. Instead, it causes friction and the condom may break. 3. Use a new condom every time you have sex or if you move between vaginal, anal, or oral sex. How to use a female condom? 1. Check the condoms are within the date on the packet and make sure you use ones with the mark FDA, CE, ISO or KITE mark that guarantees they meet safety standards. 2. Keep the condom somewhere close to hand, like in your bag or next to your bed, but not in a pocket or anywhere they can get hot, cramped or damaged. 3. Take the condom out of the pocket carefully so you do not rip it. Don't use your teeth or scissors and be careful with sharp fingernails or jewelry. What to do if a condom breaks? It's very rare for a condom to break when used properly, but if it does split or break or something else goes wrong, like the outer ring moves up inside the vagina, anus, there are some simple things you can do. Withdraw the penis immediately. Remove as much semen as you can. Gently wash the outside of your genitals. Avoid washing inside your vagina or anus, as this can spread infection further or cause irritation. 4. If you've been having vaginal sex, go to the bathroom and pee to wash away any semen. 5. If you have not been using any other contraceptive or prevent pregnancy, you may need to access emergency contraception to prevent pregnancy. This should be done within 72 hours of having sex. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.